How much weight can a Rubik's Cube take? That's what we're about to find out. We're just going to find the heaviest stuff around and see how much weight it can take. If you don't already know, this is one of my torture test Rubik's Cubes. I bought a 12 pack so I could do a bunch of crazy stuff to them. I've already done a lot, and there's still a lot more to go. We got plenty left. If you want to see some of those videos, go check out the channel. I've already done a lot. So the stack fell over off camera, but the cube was still pretty much fine. It just got a little bit crushed at the side. Do you have any ideas? Let me know in the comment section down below, and if I like the idea, maybe I'll do it. And like I said, I still got a lot of these videos to come. I got plenty of Rubik's Cubes. So if you want to see any more torture test videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and go ahead and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. So yeah, that didn't end well, but I'm not satisfied with that. We need to crush it even more.